Hello, my dear guest. Sometimes you need to make sure that your object is immutable, so nobody can touch it. You can achieve this by using two keywords, constant and object freeze. Let me show you. First, we will specify our constant. Let's say constant animal, and we will pass an object type of dog. Now we cannot change the reference. I cannot type animal and equals to new object because we will get an error. But what I can do is type animal type and equals to cat. And when I say console log our animal, in console I will get a cat, and this is not what we want. To fix it, we will add object freeze. And let's pass our object. Now, when we try to change, we still get a dog, and even the IDE helps us. It's saying that you cannot attempt to reassign a constant or read only. But here's one problem. It makes a shallow freeze. That means that if I change this type and make it like type dog and we'll say corgi, and let's make it more readable, probably like this. And now when I try to change, you will see it changes. To fix it, we need to create a deep freeze function that will first freeze all of the properties of the object, and then it will freeze the object. So let me show you. We will say function deep freeze, and we will have an object. First, we need to get prop names of the object. So we will say const prop names and say object has own property names, and let's pass our object. Next, we need to reiterate over our prop names. We'll say for const name of prop names, and let's get a value. So equals to object name. And if there is a value and type of value equals to object, we need to freeze it. So we will say deep freeze, and let's pass our value. And after all this, we need to freeze the object. So we will return object freeze object. Not like this, object. So let's try now with our deep freeze. Now when we try to change to a cat, as you can see, it doesn't change. And that's it. And remember, small steps lead to big results. Have a great day. Bye.